Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a topic that's super important for Toronto homeowners: aluminum wiring in your home. If your house was built between the mid-1960s and late 1970s, you might be dealing with this legacy issue. So, what's the big deal about aluminum wiring? Let's uncover the potential dangers and what you can do to keep your home safe. Back in the day, aluminum was a popular alternative to copper for electrical wiring, mainly because it was cheaper and easily available. But it turns out, aluminum isn't as efficient as copper when it comes to conducting electricity. To carry the same load, a larger gauge of aluminum wire is needed, which complicates installation and maintenance. Now here's where things get tricky. Aluminum wires expand and contract more than copper. Over time, this can lead to loose connections, which pose potential hazards like overheating and even fire risks. Additionally, aluminum forms an oxide layer that increases electrical resistance and heat. This means poor connections and even higher fire hazards. So, how can you tell if you have aluminum wiring? Look for wires with a distinct silver color, often marked with alum or aluminum. Also, the gauge will typically be larger than that of copper wires used for similar applications. These visual cues are crucial for assessing the wiring in older homes. If you do have aluminum wiring, don't panic, but definitely stay vigilant. Common issues include flickering lights, warm faceplates on switches and outlets, and even a burning smell. These are warning signs that shouldn't be ignored. So, what can you do about it? First and foremost, get a certified electrician to inspect your wiring. They can identify and correct any potential hazards. Techniques like pigtailing, connecting copper wire to aluminum using special connectors, can reduce fire risks. COALR and Alumicon connectors are highly recommended for safe connections, and applying antioxidant compounds helps reduce oxidation. In some cases, rewiring your entire home with copper might be the best long-term solution, though it's costly. But remember, regular maintenance and prompt attention to warning signs are essential. Lastly, let's talk about inspections and regulations. Regular inspections by a licensed electrician are vital to ensure safety and compliance with current standards. Here in Ontario, the Electrical Safety Authority provides guidelines specific to aluminum wiring, focusing on connection integrity and the use of approved connectors. So, can aluminum wiring pass inspection? Yes, but it has to meet specific safety criteria. Proper maintenance, use of approved connectors, and adherence to safety guidelines are key. And while aluminum wiring was never formally banned in Canada, evolving building codes in the late 1970s introduced stricter standards to ensure safe connections. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today's video. If you suspect you have aluminum wiring, don't take any chances. Get it checked out. Your home safety is worth it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home safety tips. Take care.